Phoenix's little new play toy. Her own little sock monkey bed. Yes. Yes. Look, here comes the star of the show, Phoenix. Yes. Playing on her sock monkey. Yeah. Phoenix, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey, look up here. Look up here. Look, 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 look. Look. Smile. 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 Smile, baby. Yeah. Yeah, you like your new bed? You like your new bed? Yep, Hearn's spoiled. Yeah, Phoenix is spoiled. The most spoiled cat in the United States. If you can find me another more spoiled cat than this one, please contact us, because we would definitely like to know. Anyhow. Let me get it. Let me get it. Get it. Get it. Over here. Over here. Well, say bye, everybody, Phoenix. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Phoenix. Hey, say goodbye.